The Flagship Lexus 2018 Lexus LS 500 Review. The Lexus LS has been taking it to the German triumvirate since the days when Audi was best known for something it would rather forget. The first LS 400 changed the luxury dynamic with its unimpeachable quality and refinement, but the LS family has never quite achieved the cachet of some of its competitors. The outgoing model was no exception to that, still following the same formula of quality first and design second. This new 2018 Lexus LS, though, hopes to break the streak and shock the Germans, Americans, and now Koreans the way it did back in '89. Before continue, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. The heftiest arrow in its quiver is its unapologetic design. The Lexus spindle grille and its accompanying flourishes have been extremely polarizing, but there's no denying sales have risen since the design language was introduced. This latest iteration is one of the best, we think, though perhaps we're just getting used to it at this point. It's not as good as the LC Coupe it shares a platform with, but it's less bad than the rest of the lineup. The polarizing design carries over to the interior, as well. Once as conservative as the exterior, the LS new seating gallery is unmistakably Lexus. The door panels, in particular, caught our eye with their visually stimulating curves, layers, and use of materials. Likewise, we found the stitched leather surrounding the individual gauges a fresh and appealing touch, and the semi-hidden vents integrated into the horizontal trim a neat execution. We were far less enamored with the hotel hallway on the passenger side of the dash and the two handlebars hanging off the instrument binnacle.